Intro music with Fix Zone logo. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're diving into a cool new iPhone feature, Genmoji. I'm going to show you how to set it up and use it to create some pretty wild emojis. Transition to screen recording. Now before we jump in, it's important to know that Genmoji is only available on iPhone 15 Pro models or later. So, make sure you have the right device. First things first, let's enable Genmoji. Head over to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find and tap on Keyboard. Scroll down again, near the bottom, under the Genmoji options. Make sure the stickers toggle is switched on. This is key. Pause briefly. Alright, now that Genmoji is enabled, let's use it. Open any app where you can use your keyboard. I'm using Messages for this example. Tap in the text field to bring up your keyboard and then tap the emoji icon in the bottom left corner. You should see a new Genmoji icon right next to the Describe Emoji text box. Tap on that. If it's your first time using Genmoji. If this is your first time, you'll see a little pop-up explanation from Apple. Read through it, then tap Continue. Generating an emoji. Okay, let's get creative. Now you just need to describe the emoji you want. From my experience, simpler descriptions work best. So for example, I'm going to type cake with eyes and legs. Short pause while the emoji generates. Now the magic happens. Apple Intelligence will generate 4 different emojis based on your description. This might take a few seconds, depending on your device. Awesome. Check out these crazy cake emojis. If you don't like the first set, you can tap the arrow to generate more options. Choosing and sending an emoji. I like this one, so I'm going to select it. See? It's added to the text field, just like a regular emoji. Now I can send it just like I normally would. Using generated emojis again. And get this, once you've generated an emoji, it'll also appear in your regular emoji keyboard. So I can send my cake with eyes and legs emoji again super easily. Copying, sharing, and saving emojis. One more thing, when you're in the emoji selector, you can tap the 3 dots next to any Genmoji you've created. This brings up a menu where you can copy the emoji, share it, or even save it as a sticker. Pretty cool, right? Outro. And that's it. That's how you set up and use Genmoji on your iPhone. Pretty easy, huh? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Outro music and end screen with social media links.